Hi, I'm Greg Shlevish. Today I'm gonna show you, Christo, how to play on the Larynx album. We'll have different specialty of the music and different songs that you can use. And maybe if you have the inspiration, we'll record them. So first of all, let's start with Professor Malin. So you already know that song, I think. I don't know what the hell is he talking about. The fabric of the cat is full of water. So maybe focus on the part that you could add something. Maybe something a bit here. During the small clip of the telejournal style. And in that area here, we can zoom. So yeah, that's what you need to do. Do you recognize the song and the style? It's good for you, and it's good for me. Thank you. Subscribe. Okay. So yeah, maybe in that space you could try some thing like bouquet comme un babouin.
Bouquet comme un babouin.
Oh, it's too dry. Let's put the Christophe sound. Always put that on 4% because it's too loud. So that was the first song. Oh, maybe we should try to remove that baboon. Okay, thank you. And fuck you. So the next song is Échange. You already heard that song. It's a little ballad. So oh, that guy is so sad. Oh no, he's not sad, he's optimistic. So yeah, maybe add some layers to it if you feel like it. So you already know that song too. Let's go on the other song, A Ballet Try. So Ballet Try is a song that starts with someone just falling off a cliff, or maybe a house, or maybe a volcano. So let's hear it. Yeah, let's hear it again. Let's hear it just one last time. Okay, cool. Let's listen to it for a second. It's better in my now. No, let's invert all. Put more gain. Maybe put more gain again. So you can mix like that, like -6 and then +6. So it's better that way for the gain stage. So there's a lot going on in that song, but maybe you have a little pronto saxo to add. My Sharona, I think that's a rip-off. Thank you. Alright, subscribe. Oh. Does that guy need help? Maybe? It's not my problem. So that's called Balletry. Now, L'autoroute de Mordor. So that's a song really inspired by Mobay. But without the... Let's try to put it more like Christo. Yeah. That's more Christo. And put it on 1 always. Maybe not room, but Albome. Let's listen to it for a while. Here comes the beat. Sunnish. So it's a song inspired by someone who is going to save his family from destruction, from maybe like a ransom, and you're going to save your family in a car, super fast car, but it's not that a super fast car. It's a Toyota Tercel. So you understand the mood. Maybe it's something that talks to you, and I will grab my hand. All right, thank you. After that, there's a song called Ketchup or 111 Kilometer. It's like something very intelligent. Let's listen to it without the decapitator and after with the decapitator at Punish. Oh, maybe listen to the intro with the decapitator. That's better. And then roll down just a bit. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Always low cut. Like a telephone. Have you ever had a telephone? Or a Padgett maybe? Oh, that's a good mood for dancing under the moonlight. Oh, nice. Ketchup is a nice product. The eyes in the eggs. Maybe there's not enough limitation. That's better that way. Don't worry if there's always a zero in red. Red never been the problem, the color of problems, eh? Okay, let's put that down. So yeah, there's two different chorus in that song, if I don't mistaken. Oh, there's the ketchup song here. I will help you with your ketchup. Oh, maybe we should EQ that. All the frequency that are bad, like that, and that. And that maybe. That's a real telephone. Cool. So you get the story of the image. There's another song here, but the song is dead. So maybe we could try to listen to it another time. It's called "You Have Lost a Friend." Oh, maybe we could put it there. Maybe. You know that? Oh yeah. You see? There's always something in that part of the Logic Pro X for Extreme. Let's listen to it. Oh yeah, that's a sad song. Maybe we could change this and put something more up for the sad. Oh yeah, this one is so sad. So sad, maybe we could use the baby plurage in the autotune. So there's a baby crying. Maybe it's a problem that the baby is crying in the autotune, but maybe not. You will see. Yeah, so it's a little ballad, and you can imagine the phantom of the Forum, the ancient place where the Montreal Canadiens were playing. And yeah, the ghost is scoring in the net. I don't know, maybe you could add something like that. So just to add a little ghost. So I invite you to listen to all those songs at the same time. So maybe it could give you some good ideas about the future collaboration. So always art pan everything. That's my mentor used to say to me. And parpile. play. Maybe EQ that a little bit. And maybe that way. Metallica. Alright. So thank you, Christo, and I hope we'll see you soon. Please subscribe, and you have the list of all the music, and please enjoy my every one. So delete all that because goodbye. Thank you. Whoa, it's incredible.